one water bottle filled with water. Then I can show you how we can make this. First we will do that. First we will stick the cap, first cap. Then the second cap will stick like this. Now I will make a tornado. Look, the water is going down and down, down, down. Like this, it will end. Then I will show you next part of the water.